Python/Django, if statement and template around extends. I would like to have a template that extends another conditionally. Basically, when a variable called Ajax is true, I do not want to have the template extend another. Any clues?
While you may not wrap extends in logic blocks, since it must be the first tag if used, it can still accept variables, including filters. This should fit your purpose nicely. Note, the yes/no filter also accepts null values, none, as the third choice, and if you do not specify one, as in this case, it will fall back to converting it to false, i.e. it will return the second choice. This allows you to not specify the Ajax variable in your template without breaking it. Suggested by user Rafal. This will only work if you are using a request context instead of a plain context object and you have the request context processor enabled, or alternatively, if you insert the request object in your template context.
You cannot do it like that. You can, however, set a variable and use that to choose the template to extend. Then in Python code you write something like, you may wish to refer to the documentation for more information.
I was looking for the solution of the same problem and came with a bit better workaround than suggested by Klaus Bischoff-Hoffmann. It is better because you don't have to have two separate base templates for Ajax and non-Ajax requests and, which is more important, you don't have to define if statements that will define which base template to use in each controller. In your case, the solution would be page.html. base.html. So, base.html is always included but it prints its content only when not Ajax. Update: this can be simplified by creating and adding a new context processor that will populate Ajax context variable from the request.is_Ajax, so you don't have to do anything extra in your controllers and templates at all.
If you don't want to extend a parent template, you can always create an empty file called null.html and extend that. Kind of hacky, but easy to understand.
I know this is an old thread, but in case someone stumbles across this, I believe the best way to achieve your goal would be views.py, base.html, and in ajax.html, you wouldn't use any %extends %a or a %block %of tags, since you won't be calling anything for ajax.html to extend onto the base. That will be taken care of by include.
이거 혹시 뭐 좀, 그 심지어 아닌 사람이